ankles and out, get the wrist. You get the ankles and out, get the wrist. You come, oh, you get the ankles and out, get the wrist. You get the ankles and out, get the wrist. You get the ankles and out, get the wrist. You come down to this song. Thank you, everybody. It is such a beautiful feeling for us to be back in the state of California. Wait. I think it's important to explain what part of the show we're at right now. We're at a very important part of the show. What we're about to do is play the song before the fake last song. Here is our plan. First, we play the song before the fake last song. Then, I introduce the band again, and I say, hey everybody, thank you for coming out tonight. This is gonna be our last song. Then we play the fake last song. Then I say, thank you, good night. And then we'll pretend the show is over. And then hopefully you'll be enthusiastic. Kind of like that, yes, correct. And then we'll turn around and with looks of great surprise upon our faces, we will play 2 more songs. So Mark, if you will, please begin the song before the fake last song. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to Beelzebub. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going your rubber dub. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to Beelzebub. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going your rubber dub. Your words burn the air like the names of candy bars. Your mouth is cold and red, all the rings around the racks. And it's a blind wine, it's a wine, it's a blind wine, it's a blind wine, it's a wine, it's a blind wine, it's a blind wine, it's a wine, it's a blind wine, it's a blind wine, it's a. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to Beelzebub. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going rubber dub. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to Beelzebub. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going rubber dub. I'll scratch you off. L'état c'est moi. I drink the drink and I'm wall to wall. I absorb trust like a love of rum. Buzz, I feel I must elucidate. I ate the chump with guile. Quadrilateral I was, now I walk like a smile. Yellow number 5, yellow number 555. Yellow number 5, yellow number 555. Yellow number 5, yellow number 555. Yellow number. Voulez-vous le bus? Voulez-vous le bus? Voulez-vous le bus? onto the bus that's gonna take you back to Beelzebub. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going rub-a-dub. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to Beelzebub. Get onto the bus that's gonna make you stop going rub-a-dub. But it's a grind, 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 grind. Thank you very much. All right, everybody, I want to introduce the band to you again. On the bass, it's Sebastian Steinberg. On the keyboard sampler, it's Mark Deliantoni. On the drums, it's Yuval Gabay. My name is Mike Dirty.